Today's Saturday, July 30th. This is the 1963 Cadillac DeVille left-hand driver's side exhaust manifold. Absolutely pristine condition. The unit has been Magnaflux tested, precision machined and surface ground on the front portal faces and the evacuation portal face. This is the original 147 5463. Okay, and this will be going out as soon as I receive the okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillac DeVilles and Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. When it comes to the exhaust manifolds, all my exhaust manifolds are show quality, having been remachined, surface ground, climatized with a corrosion-resistant surface treatment, and most importantly, Magnaflux tested for 100% full integrity in terms of the metallurgical content of the material and the absence of any hairline cracks. Today is Saturday, July 30th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.